capturing moments, creating memories. And welcome to our channel.
Welcome to another video. Welcome to the channel. And I'm using the DJI Neo 2 as my cameraman today. And we are at Golden Hill Golf Course. I just thought I'd take a little walk down here and check it out. It is pretty cold. And a little bit on the windy side, so I don't know how we're going to go on with this little guy, but it's fabulous to have your very own cameraman, isn't it? Absolutely loving it. Now the other day I hadn't actually got the mic set up, or I've got the mic set up with the little DJI adapter and the DJI wireless mic. So yeah, let's take you guys along on this journey today through a little bit of muddy golf course. I really like that I can just use the drone for all these fabulous shots. So we can just move it to that side. I'm using the phone at the moment to actually do this. Don't know whether there's anybody in that. It always scares me whether anybody's actually in that or not. You never know, do you? So what we might do in a minute is do some drone-y shots, get some shots, and then we'll have a look at FPV and see how it goes from there. But yeah, I'm hoping you guys are enjoying it. I've been working till half day today until we're back in the new year. So let's do some drone shots. So the first shot we're doing is a drone. It's just going to go back about 10 feet and then come back on in. Boomerang shot. So I don't know what this one's going to look like, but yeah, that looks kind of cool, doesn't it? Yeah, I think that looks pretty awesome to me. Now this one's what's called Helix. Loving the shots. Such a beautiful area here as well. Pretty above my head and then do like a circle around. That looks pretty cool. And then down she comes. Right then, so that was pretty cool. I love that we can move it all over here. Might have a little walk over this way and just see if we can get some views of the lake. So I hope you guys enjoyed the just move the drone over that way. So I hope you guys enjoyed the FPV there. I've just got to watch where I'm stepping on it. Actually pretty deep in places. How about going up a little bit? You can probably see where I'm attempting to walk. Wow. Almost got to be careful you don't turn your ankle over, really. It's a bit of an adventure. I'm bringing you guys along with me. Come on, cameraman. I'm just going to go to the top of this hill where we can probably just get the view of the lakes. It's pretty awesome, isn't it? Yeah, I love it that I can just get the Neo to fly around all the different positions there. So glad for when we get the summer and we can get out a little bit more. And I think we've got to prepare for a very, very cold week coming up by the looks of it. We're almost there. Thanks for coming along with us today, and I hope you guys are ready for the new year. So let's just see what you can see if you rise up a little bit there. Come on down. Pretty awesome. Always a good place to come Golden Hill Golf Course. Lots and lots of things to see. With my self-flying cameraman, how cool is this? Just spin it around the front there. Right, how about have a look up a little bit? Can you see, I think you can see one of the lakes just there. And down, I love it where you can just move this drone. I can do a full 360 with you guys, look at that. And obviously we can go up. Full 360. How fabulous is technology? Absolutely awesome. Alright, we're back on the iPhone, and that was just fabulous footage. So we've done a little bit of walking with the self-flying cameraman, and just check out this view now. Ready? Look at that. So we did get the drone a little bit over there. Really steep to head on down. You can actually walk around there a little bit easier. Beautiful. And can you guys see Mount Cop? Let's do the 8x zoom. There we go, Mount Cop. Oh, we've got the church in Newchapel. Right, let's head on back to the car. So I just thought, with working half day today, come out, do a little video. Not much wind, so it's really good for the drone. And I haven't really played around with this for a while, but as you can see, superb FPV. Follow modes are all really good, and yeah, Lynn's at work, so I've got no cameraman. I've got my own self-flying cameraman. But thanks for coming along with me to beautiful Golden Hill Golf Course on December the 30th, 2025. Tomorrow is New Year's Eve. Wow, whole new year, 2026. Looking forward to what we can bring with the channel, and I hope you guys are looking forward to 2026. Don't forget, we have 365 new days, new opportunities for you guys to do what you want. And as proven, every dream is possible with some hard work. Thanks for watching, guys, and we will see you on the next video, probably tomorrow, New Year's Eve. See you soon.